We are in the university's Ġibsoteka at the Valletta campus. It contains casts of famous classical statues. They were used for art students, for the Scuola del Disegno, but also for students of English literature, students of history, students of culture and the wider sense. The idea of a Ġibsoteka stems from the 18th and the 19th centuries, where such statues, such casts, these are casts of the original statues, became very popular in academies and universities worldwide. We have behind us one of the most famous statues of classical antiquity, and that is the Apollo Belvedere. Belvedere because the original statue is in the Belvedere of the Vatican. But the corpus is much larger. With the establishment of the University of Malta Gallery of Art, we embarked on a project of conservation and restoration. And we set them up, we brought them up together in this floor and set up what is the crowning piece of the university's gallery, which we call the Ġibsoteka.